Hey, how's it going? Pretty much scoured the entire internet and official websites for products and all kinds of stuff, and could not find any help when it came to taking apart a guitar pedal. Maybe simple enough, but I couldn't figure it out on my own. So figured I'd do a little help video. All you need is a pair of pliers, multi-tool. I used, I do believe it's Imperial set 7/64ths. That's all I needed, was just this. A cigarette, and a beer of your choice. It does not matter at all. So to begin, use the hex key and take apart the bottom plate. Obviously you're going to want to keep screws. I like to keep them in a container. OCD. Alright, we got all 4 screws off. Back plate comes right off. So now you have the circuit board and your pedal. Now that won't come off until you get your input jacks, get the nuts off, and the washers. Use the pliers just to loosen it, and then I pretty much do the rest with my fingers. Washers, nuts off. Now your circuit board will still not come off without taking off your knobs. I set the knobs right at 0. You don't have to, but once again, OCD. Alright, with those off, the pedal should pretty much come apart with ease. I just take apart the selector switch, little 9-volt switch, disconnect the battery. Brand new battery, doesn't work. Reason being, I'm just going to grab my iPhone. Black wire does not work. Obviously not connected to your battery switch. So, and here it's indicated black, red. They make it pretty easy for replacing if you need it. So I'm going to go to my nearest hardware store and pick up a 9-volt connector. So this would be part 1, I guess, of 2 on how to fix your guitar pedal if you have a missing wire.